Mema akwaba emfa umbraga nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching
I contest for MPP. Why now would you say what you really power man?
I Japan.
Where?
Baumia. That can't do what Jimmy.
I don't know.
Everyone Jimmy Nekasa crying, mammy. But you could go up on sir. And the casa or casa rubbish.
Okay, rubbish.
Oh, there be Nekasa cry, minimum nature maker.
It's in our own.
I ain't be now, Yammy. But who were Jimmy after it? They are probably in a panel. I was so scar that were Jimmy totally. But you could go up on sir. May I chimney be flat my figure. A power tramming on it.
Obey the shaggy.
Another key, but I will keep.
I know I said anything.
I will kid, you know. Not I say, I will never kid, you know. Nami Abofra, if you're cramming Teddy Pay. The scanner, or 1 minute.
It would also about
the mother totally.
I don't know.
Winning baby. Winning baby. The way in Nipabia when you are botre. No Casama, Namiku Ampasa. Makoma, Tommy young bet. Ghana for work or 3 times. Make any deal. Work at a cooper to quack or 3 times. I said, no winning yet. Yeah. And we'll be 3 times. I said, no winning. There's no problem.
No go really, mom.
So, when you see man, none of the church of war. I will say, see, I make a say, and you'll be on catcher for your triple. A year, Sagai Nanado.
Jabanos, Bamiana, Batoman.
Oh, Bamwade, Cromania, MPP. Trepopoina, MPP. Trepopoina, MPP. I am in Kuana, make us MPP. Trepopoina, MPP. I love it.
How can't wait me? I know the ultra time. Second age.
Can't you do a Jimmy totally?
At your constituency. You see, we respect them, we honor them, we appreciate the Mayama party. No? But yes, no. Obia campaign Obia Jimimpa wasam honorable Japan. Yes, when you want to do a decent campaign, Obia no niasem. And so I have demonstrated that. Me anytime bia minister kabedin ko mobia or be call me without how is your campaign going? No akanasem. The only times I disagree with him, Trenona making, and tribalism and religious politics. Come up what him better Hanma, obey any decent campaign. We allowed him, he did it. Obia and Senuquan, Obia Unano. And Tisa, Memma were higher than Memma Namnia, no. Where were your men? And this is for I know. So what's the Memma and this is for 2024? Where were your men? And now because we were not the presidential candidate, now I'm found home. Now we're trying to lose. Now the Benyas Maka. And this is for your city, say in Ashanti region. At your backyard, your central region. Your city, say, oh. So if you have the middle touch to win us back the political seat, parliamentary seat, Lusuya, at then 1 year in 2024. Obeka no presidential candidate and no MPP niye. In any case, so now the presidential candidate kwana who see it na wujan hono. How did you protect it for us? Ubo ho ba ko do say. Una na do so do. If you have the men, where were the men? Your so-called NDC for na omu way. Here na kede the po akwa campaign obi asi ni kwan so manenye and the moon munia ben mu near there as if say power na lose as a day because in a center jelusu vote olusu ya wo there want to me say oba deliver in a center nyame ahwe no now we expect the bay e wa center region. Please don't know please. We respect you. We appreciate you. The Wayama party, no, or Suma party, no, government, as a politician, as a parliamentarian, as a businessman, whatever, we appreciate it. But uye diebu, uye ununa do. And a mema waha, and at the first January, Muba mema, and a bema PM run one. Why? And as a Bia Kasa, just I would dare party, no, unkwa we wine. May the last thing I will permit on this platform to be able to hand abeka say etiawo. But there was work kono. Oh ya ma ho kwan ma nkola ni biba no ma beka bi etiawo. Oh ya campaign. Yes wa kwa asokwa. And the deputy organizer, the kofa we nya ba no. And I woka say you lose asonase seat. Who the question Dr. Baumia and the deputy organizer rose up. No say from 1992 D party na chino. Asokwa seat asonase ya reneda. And you can't blame asonase seat you lose here on Dr. Baumia. Enwani. Except that the narration they gave me, but I have spoken to the deputy organizer this morning. That is the account he gave me. And I'm a member, and I'm away, and I'm away, and I'm away. Where were your men? If it is your one some now can say no cry, and this is for no or member now will no more way. Or because you were not a presidential candidate, or you were waiting for us to lose. Now the Samaka. Please, we respect you for all what you have done for the party. Now, no more 10 cents of Japan. I stood here, spoke against it. But honorable Japan, Mr. I thought I was also a break. Monso money namono, mon Casanchano. Someone can want tears of my own. Because you're far away, Nimampany. Now, some be some young crime player more brebiano. I said, why you know a brilliant Jebuya, Yenifaso. Now, what you are saying, be able to be a no. Now, say that the Nimampany, they are over concentrate on governance. No, I too much. I too much. And at 31st January, Mubu Mama, and a baby be any ho, and a one when he said Munia Bemu, Yania Bemudo Wabemu. Maybe Ebia Wabemu. Ebia on the Wabemu, Ebia Luciano. I thought I would see any Casa as I ended the crisis Lusu power. Why do you do that? You have suffered for because of this party. You have paid your dues for this party. But I thought that Nyabutre, control your temper.
Yo, hello, good afternoon. My greetings to each and everyone. Inshallah. I'm here to respond to one also Bempa. Well, let me go by tree. Yes, inshallah. Also Bempa. Odi asanfo frobi abetujwa. Wo say obedi Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Watem. My in-law, obedi dinatem because only if you as a nigger commando and issues. Well, many say a current issue and Muntoko Dadanu and Udiabema response because of honor. Obedi Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Watem. My in-law. Also, remember, I'm there in you. But Madia say, obey did nothing. Now we say, what I say, go ahead and do it. Did you, Dr. Mahmoud Bamian want them now? We say, what in a honeymoon and ye be free one be a ubekan. Obey did nothing. Oh, ye will never basabasabasina. One say, Dr. Ajiwanumda. One say, why ye. Message we are wa bolding down. Ewo ni issues mu. Eni ni awuye. Woni obi anya ntokwa wontimi emfa ne bakono nko. Wodi asam na ebe tu obi so. Ani bakono wan dan dwen wo. Bomodi ana unye na wohwe. Bomodi ana unye na wose didi Dr. Mahmoud Bamian Watem na wohwe. I'm his in-law. Mechiro say ye fulani for ye na ye wo spiritual powers me donyani. I swear to Almighty God, wallahi. But modi na undi na them na ushe. Wa sorry no. Ube sorry one day. Once na kwa ena be kwa sorry there no. Wonni ma. Wonni mse ye dade na chwa dade wo. Wonni mse ye dade na chwa dade. You don't know. We use metal to cut metal. You don't know. Oh yeah, you didn't show no. Who can say who to me biana? Do you think you have any powers? Sana yo, say what to me be. You don't know. You don't know. Who the bombardier say, Ube Didi, I like Dr. Mahmoud at them. Ewo my Ghana my ha, na won share. You ever say you don't have any spiritual powers. You are just nagging. You are just nagging. Only power be only to me pia. Bombardier, me, I dare you. I dare you. Bombardier say Ube Didi Dr. I like Mahmoud ba me one them. My in-law. Bombardier say Ube Didi at them. Na won share. Nonsense. Assemble of everyone bia now they are tujwa. Never everyone bia now what be can publicly. For what reason? One say papa no waka wasam da. Even the year one can wasam da. I just remember my sister has never spoken about you. She have never mentioned your name. Her husband has never mentioned your name. So what's your problem? If you're having an issue with someone, deal with the person. And also if you as nigga commando, usro nana. Usro so be din. Now, odi winning in Tokwan, ebe two, I like Dr. Su. For what reason? Go ahead and do it and let's see. Okay? Go ahead. Metro say, wouldn't need to me pia. You are just nagging. What kind of life is this? Or person only present. Who are you? Who are you? To be better who are waiting I stop on. Wouldn't need be pia. Also, me and America won't need be PR. You don't have any spiritual powers. Dare him, and you will see the side of Fulani Malam. I'm telling you, I'm a Fulani. He's my in-law. I'll make sure say won't need to me PR. Bomodia say Ube didn't attempt now share baby. Why won't you go away? Jada Jagumar and I would go to him. Let me undo that. I will buy go to Tinadaru. Nonsense.
Kukudu, eshi, kukudu, eshi radu movement. Yo, because actually, me no am MPP for. Said the Canada Japan, all ye ina no. Ye me huni say, oko school so anko school. Canada Japan, ye nim say na wo abrochire ana oba Ghana. And I'll bring a chance to MPP. MPP na ma Canada Japan. Why nimpa? When you ska. Na the am say, who flew? Who come no ha? Eba etakwa. Eba ka. Yampi ho asem. Oyo na mu dwomo kuduka. Canada the person ka say. When the Canada Japan, when the Makuduka, when the Waye, Amatakwa, Usaim. The whole MP of Mrs. or Moban Takwa. I'm to Makuduka. I know what sell her a Buatapa Zoot. I'm got some show. The account committee man or Tapa. I am MPP had demand is for so ADDR reported by and the Jomokuduka. Or the Jmakasia and or the Bar Takwa Usaim. Now what's happening say? Who can I do what's happening say? Oh, but at the first. Now, what about Hanty? EMP or Namu Jumakuduka? Ya chow. Ya chow, papa. So, you him. Now do Taka come here. That's how to do Oka. A copy moi. So, but Jack what I could take on Samoa. Oh, I'm not Jumakuduka home. So, what was a man of Swar? I'm going to show. So what you was so I am a Domokuduka so. Papa ya jina tun or de akoma so prekope. Because Matakwa youth, ayi sika, Matakwa youth, ayi ajapade, stay now, ye fra ba mpono. And this ba e kwampono, omuso engaye, ni na jina, ona bo Domokuduka, juma pa, or the Batakwa. Wache amana sutakwa youth so. The person ka jo Canada Japan say. Oh MPP MPP ama wo anya sika MPP na mo di ye obefi party ni mu mpayefo na mo na so wana se kondua na bibi kondua no o so wana se kondua no o so wana ana wo party mu wo sika party mu na se open na de party mu a sa na ye party no sa na go party no ho fi sa na kasa kire panfo kofo ana na breso ana ma wo contract ama wo nya sika akofo ba ya ma wo contract ma wo nya sika ene de also wa baso Kennedy ye pese ka chon say so be free party nim ami party no film ebi anso wo ye ka chiro ye takwa de ya kweta say so be jago takwa biem a wo onko biem say wo be jago duka wa agro takwa komia be fi takwa wa agro a wa bro so do mo ba nyina no bia timi nko because of money na every man ye wo takwa komia ni na ye be ka bom ya fesimo ni ahwe ye be si takwa usoro tuno na wo ye tuno wanu ebu agum te say efuna wawuo usoro be di ona bu domekudu kwa agro takwa oni de duka ye anam domekudu unu bia wa takwa usaim unu bu abu takwa ude hwe love amatakwa fo takwa man takwa ni na ona bu domekudu ka bisa say MP brain oba ya dwumadi aduka be di ye no ebi tumbe ye bi after any sipo na se po hu say ona bu domekudu ka oba ye no oba ya dwuma pa menam ka kire na o sori a na kasa kire upaso kasa kire duka rough say de duka yakola bi duka yakola o udi MP duka wagura takwa o ma de ye ma nko ti de pese ka kire say se wazu afofra furu wo ukromu oho ebi owo no oho na koforo manfa matakwa nsoyem so diago takwa nsoyem a Kennedy just spell the bet shimo say yes bi do wiase ma no asemasi